Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Pawan's Simplify. Today I am going to show to you how to use a customized keyboard in Redmi Note 9 Pro and Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Before we start, I request all of you to please subscribe to my channel and also press the like button. Okay, here we go. First, we have to go to settings. Once we go to settings, there is an option called additional settings. In this, go to languages and input, click on it, and then you come to manage keyboards. In manage keyboards, go to settings again. You can see Gboard here, which is the Google keyboard, and then you have the keyboard for Xiaomi. Go select the keyboard for Xiaomi, okay, and then go to settings. It says keyboard for Xiaomi, choose keyboard. So here we are. So these are the different themes which are available in the keyboards for Redmi. So there are really very trendy and catchy themes. For example, you have the Dreamcatcher theme here, which is a very cool theme. You have the butterfly theme, you have the diamond theme, and so on. Similarly, you have a feather theme and all. So these are also very good themes. But then I am going to show to you how to make your own theme. So for that, you have to press this yellow colored icon here. Press on it and then select any picture from your album. Okay, I have some pictures here in my album. I will select any one of these. Let me select this one. So here you see the way it has selected. You can move the picture around within the selection box to get the best image you want, right? After this, press next. Once you press next, you can see here that the keyboard has got the background of your picture, whatever you selected, plus in the foreground you can see the letters and the numbers, which are nothing but the buttons. Now we'll go and see how to customize the rest of it. So the buttons are so, and you can see here when I select, you can see the different types of buttons, right? So these are also very cool features. You have a droplet button, you have these colorful buttons, you have a heart shaped button. So many different types of buttons are there, which is really very cool, right? And then you can select the opacity of the buttons also. You can make them like without any border. You can make the border look very light, or you can make the border look dark also, right? So we'll select a medium opacity, then go to effect. Once you go to effect, this is the one which will come when you press the button. For example, if I select bubbles or balloons, then when I press H, for every press or any press, okay, we will see the balloons coming out. Similarly, if you want to select football, you can see football coming out whenever you press any button. Or you want to select boom, you can see boom coming out everywhere, right? So for our demonstration, I will select the chocolate button. So whenever I press anything, then the effect will be like a chocolate is popping out. Then let's go to the font. So here font, we have so many different type of fonts. We can select any one of these, whichever you like. Plus you can change the color of the font also, right? See here, you can select the color of the font, you can change the size of the font, anything you can do here. So I am selecting this. Then we go to music. Now music is not exactly the full length music. It is whenever a key is pressed, what is the sound you want. So can you see? So you can select, and here you have a cola drinking sound, which is really cool. You have a guitar sound, you have a camera click, you have a small drums, bat sound, barbecue, droplets. Okay, so different sounds. So anyway, I don't want to have any sound, so I'm selecting. And you can also have a different volume also for the sound. Then you have a sticker. These stickers you can pick and choose what is the brightness you want. This will appear in the background like this, right? But I don't want to select any sticker as of now, so this is what it is. Now you're done with your customized keyboard. After that, you are allowed to press save. Once you say save, then Redmi also allows you to feature it on the DIY community, where you can put your own theme name. So I'm selecting Pawan 5 because this is the one already 4 or 5 I have done. So publish, you get published so that other people can use your theme also, right? Then we will see how the keyboard looks like when you are typing something, right? So let me just go and try to send an SMS with the new keyboard like this. So here the new keyboard comes up. It really looks very cool, right? So you can type here whoever you want to send to. Let us say this, and then type the message, right? So this is what the coolest keyboard which I ever thought, which you can customize, right? And I hope this is very useful for you people to make your keyboards more lively and colorful and more trendy. So that's all from me, all of you. Thank you very much for watching. So please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Bye.